Jim DePalma, Best Strategies to Use Digital Media. Digital media has revolutionized the way we communicate and connect with each other. It's also changed the way businesses operate and market themselves. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you need to know how to use digital media effectively. Here are some of the best strategies by Jim DePalma to use digital media. 8 best strategies to use digital media per Jim DePalma. Use social media to connect with your target audience. According to Jim DePalma, social media is one of the most powerful tools at your disposal. If you're not using it to connect with your target audience, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Make sure to remain active on your socials where your audience is spending their time. Engage them by posting relevant content. And don't forget to interact with them regularly. Use email marketing to stay in touch with your customers. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach your customers. Make sure you're sending out regular newsletters and update emails. And make sure the content is relevant and engaging. Use content marketing to attract new customers. Content marketing is all about creating valuable content that will attract new visitors to your website or blog. If you can create helpful, informative articles, videos, or infographics, you'll be able to draw in new readers and potential customers. Use search engine optimization to improve your visibility online. Jim DePalma believes that if you want people to find your website or blog, you need to make sure it's optimized for search engines. Use the right keywords and phrases, and structure your site in a way that makes it easy for search engines to index your content. Use retargeting to stay top of mind. Retargeting is a form of online advertising that allows you to show ads to people who have already visited your website or blog. This is a great way to keep your business top of mind and increase the chances of them returning to your site. Use online PR to get the word out about your business. If you want to generate buzz and awareness for your business, you need to make sure you're doing online PR. This involves creating press releases, writing guest posts, and getting involved in social media conversations. Use data-driven marketing to make better decisions. Data-driven marketing is all about using data and analytics to make better decisions about your marketing strategy. Influencer marketing is a great way to reach new audiences. Find influencers in your industry or niche and collaborate with them on content or promotional campaigns. This can help you tap into their large following and reach a whole new group of potential customers. Use live streaming to connect with your audience in real time. Live streaming is a great way to connect with your audience in real time. You can use it to stream events, product launches, or even just regular Q&A sessions. This is a great way to build rapport and trust with your audience. Conclusion: if you want to succeed with digital marketing, you need to be willing to put in the work. If you do it right, it can be an incredibly effective way to grow your business. Try out some of these strategies by Jim DePalma and see what works for you. Thanks for watching.